if you don't know how to create kick-ass Insta captions and attract genuine followers, then you should watch this video till the end. Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have all of you again on this series Digital Talks. In this series, we are going to talk about everything that is related to digital and social media. So guys, in today's episode, we are going to talk about how to create kick-ass Insta captions and attract genuine followers. Nowadays, everyone is on Instagram. Not just for posting their own pictures, but to grow their businesses as well. And if you want to grow your business through Instagram, you should create really attractive and beautiful content, which is valuable and meaningful too. So to create that kind of content, Insta captions are really important. Many times what happens, our content is good, our visual presentation is good, but we lack when it comes to Insta captions. We write paragraphs and paragraphs and nobody comes on our Insta captions and they read through the whole caption, and then what happens is less engagement, less likes, less shares and saves. But to increase these shares, saves and likes and comment, or altogether engagement, there are 4 ways that you can apply on your Insta captions and you can see the tremendous results by yourself. So let's begin with it. First and foremost, you have to convert your Insta caption into pointers. Instead of writing the big long paragraphs, break it into pointers, and while reading those points, people will get to know your content better. People will get to know the gist of content better. So you have to do just one thing, that whatever you're writing, write it in points. Like if 3 ways to lose weight. So explain those 3 ways in 1, 2, 3 instead of 3 different paragraphs. This way you can create beautiful captions, you can create short and crisp captions, and people would want to read the whole caption. Second and very important point is quantifying your content. So you broke down your content into pointers. But after doing that, you have to quantify your content. It will create an excitement or a curiosity in readers' mind. As I said it in my earlier video also, that these kind of captions works really well, because people would want to know what are these 5 secrets of happy life, or what are these 4 ways of losing weight rapidly, or something like that. So people would be really happy to read that kind of captions. And while quantifying your content, you have to keep one thing in mind, that you don't have to give the 30 secrets of happy life or 20 ways to earn from Instagram or something like that. Keep it between 5 to 10, not more than 10, because then people would lose their interest in your caption. So just keep it between 5 to 10 and you're good to go, and people would really want to read the whole caption and they will click on that read more and read the whole caption. Third and another important point is use emojis. Why it is important? Because it attracts the attention of reader. If you have beautiful visual presentation but you don't include emojis in your captions, it becomes boring and nobody wants to read the boring caption, right? So when it comes to Instagram particularly, emojis works wonders. So use appropriate emojis if you're talking about sunrise, sunset or weather related things. There are so many emojis related to that. If you're talking about plants, there are so many related emojis for that as well. And when you are giving pointers like 1, 2, 3, 4, there are available emojis for that as well. So if you go through the whole emoji palette, you will get to know so many emojis and you can use them accordingly. Fourth and another important topic is, I cannot emphasize on it more. I kept it in the last, but I feel it is really important, that end your captions with a call to action. Now what is call to action? Asking your readers to like your post, to share your post, or to save or comment on your post. Like we do it on YouTube, we end our videos with, hey please like my video, hey please subscribe to my channel. It's exactly like that. But when it comes to Instagram, you don't have to end your captions with the direct call to action like, hey, come on my post, comment on it. No, not like that. Instead, what you can do is you can ask them a question and they can reply you in the comments and give you the answer of that question. How you can do it? That if you're giving 4 ways to lose weight, then you can ask them which one is their favorite. Or if you're giving 5 ways with which they can earn from Instagram, you can ask them which one is the easiest for them. In this way, you can create an authentic and genuine engagement on your posts. So yes guys, these were the 4 ways with which you can create a kick-ass Instagram caption, and that will attract followers as well, because people really want to read good content on Instagram, valuable content on Instagram. And when you keep these things in mind while creating captions, because they are going to read the whole caption, so if you think about these points and keep these things in mind and create your captions, people will come on your Instagram profile, your posts, and they will follow you, and you can increase your genuine following with good quality Instagram captions. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, do not forget to like it, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know your views, your comments about this video in the comment section below. I will come up with another video on next Saturday. Till then, take care, and yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because free hai, you can do it. Thank you so much. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye.